Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Mitsubishi Lancer steering wheel. First, always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake firmly engaged. This provides a safe environment for making adjustments. Next, you'll need to locate the steering wheel adjustment lever. It's usually a small handle or lever positioned directly underneath the steering column, often near the dashboard. Finding this lever is your first crucial step. Once you've located the lever, pull it downwards firmly to unlock the steering column. This action allows the steering wheel to move freely. You can now adjust the tilt, moving the wheel up or down to find a comfortable vertical position. Simultaneously, you can adjust the telescopic reach by pushing the wheel away from you or pulling it closer. Experiment with both adjustments to find your ideal driving posture. When satisfied, push the lever back up to lock the steering wheel securely in place. After making initial adjustments, sit in your normal driving position. Check that your arms are slightly bent when holding the wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions. Your wrists should comfortably rest on the top of the wheel. Ensure you have a clear, unobstructed view of the instrument cluster and the road. Make small, incremental adjustments to the steering wheel or your seat position to achieve the perfect ergonomic setup for safe and comfortable driving. Before driving, always double-check that the steering wheel adjustment lever is fully engaged and the wheel is securely locked. Never attempt to adjust the steering wheel while your Mitsubishi Lancer is in motion, as this can be extremely dangerous. A correctly adjusted steering wheel significantly improves both your driving comfort and overall vehicle control. Remember to periodically recheck your settings to ensure they remain optimal for your driving needs and safety.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.